Okay, this is absolutely the craziest earthquake footage I have ever seen. I'm getting this off of a CNN report link that I've got here, and I mean, this is phenomenal. So I had to show this to people. Wow, check this out.
Quake right now. And this is actually moving.
He's taking a video of his sidewalk. This is just unreal. He recorded it sideways on his cell phone, evidently. So
I felt like I was drunk. I could see different parts. I could, ooh, wow. There was water just coming up right there. Ground.
It's spreading and going back and forth, and wow.
It's getting bigger and smaller, going back and forth. And there is water coming up all over the park right now.
It's just unbelievable. Look at that. Squish, pull apart. Oh, jeez, I can't believe these people stay here. I would be so long gone.
This water was not there a minute ago.
Look at it squirting up.
It's coming up different places.
Oh, man.
Here's coming up through the sidewalk.
That's crazy.
Buildings were making a racket. I seriously
Holy
thought I was
cow.
because I didn't know what was going on. I could just feel.
So what is the deal? The tsunami water is going under the ground? Is that what's happening?
I wouldn't be surprised if the trains are not running anymore. I'm on my way to the train station.
Holy cow.
We've got a little lake, and here's a huge crack.
Look at that.
Still moving.
Yeah, it is. Big time.
Back and forth, swaying.
I would be so history. There's no way I'd still be there. No way.
Especially since this is reclaimed land that I'm on right now. This used to be part of Tokyo Bay. And they created this land by throwing landfill and mountains, rocks out here. And so this land could just
fall away. Yeah. You're out of your mind, mister.
In the park. They don't seem too worried. They're not running away.
God help you, people.
Ancient Park, Sombrero, a huge clock, and Baytown skyscrapers behind it.
Well, I guess that guy sent that video to CNN, so I just wanted to put it on there so some of you guys that I know could see it, because I know you'd appreciate it like I do. I'm telling you what, if I went out in front of my house and seen my sidewalk coming together and going apart and water squirting out, I'd be history. I'd be living somewhere else. That's all I know, but to each their own, I guess. Anyways, there you go. That's my video for the day on the Japanese footage. Holy moly. They got a lot of stuff to deal with over there now. I hope this is just, I don't know. I hope this is over, because if it's not, they got lots of problems over there.